Alright guys, so what's going on? It is pretty late. It's getting late as a matter of fact. So I finally took everything out. As you've seen on the other video, I redid my trunk, put a whole new floor, did some crazy ass epoxy, and I said, you know what? Why not to color match my actual trunk epoxy to that VIP tray that I actually made custom one off to the Challenger. So yeah, I did kind of make it somewhat into a destroyer gray, but also on top of that, I took out all the actual, regular airline that's on there, and I finally decided to go hardlines. And I'm changing the color scheme, so okay, you know what? Based off of what I says right here, evolve on my air management system. That should tell you exactly what I'm going with, and yeah, there's gonna be way more hard lines in this. I got the tanks coming into the air management system already, so there's still more to come. Tomorrow's another day. I will be shooting some more of the actual bending of the hard lines for the 4 airlines here. Let me show you. So I'm gonna be hardlining these as well. Like I said, these are done already. I mean, dude, the fitment's on point, honestly. It's like when you learn from the best and you do things on your own, and it's kind of like it becomes again second nature. Chris has shown me a lot as of building through all cars and stuff like that, and why not to just do my own now. So I said, I'll take the challenge, and it's coming out great, guys. And I mean, I couldn't be any happier with that. Look at the freaking floor. I still got to clean it. It's a little dusty because I sanded off everything on the edges. I'm gonna spray paint those black, and then I gotta bolt in the other piece, which is right there. And look at all these car parts, man. We got air suspension for different kits, different cars. There's about like 3 different builds here. We're just waiting for everything to get here little by little. But back to this. Yeah, I can't wait for this to be done. Got a little something coming up, with the tray, with the epoxy. You think of something creative, and you'll see exactly what happens when I reveal the actual trunk setup back onto the Challenger. So this is it for tonight. I'm just gonna close it up with this small little video. I'll definitely add this though to some of the b-rolls that I'm taking tonight. And yeah, so this will be, I believe, the part 1 of the rebuild on my trunk setup. So if you guys are liking it, let me know.